Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on trimming sounds on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are about to record a video for TikTok, tap Add Sound at the top of the recording screen. Tap on the sound that you would like to use, and then tap the scissors icon to the right of the song. You can now slide the music bar to the section of the song that you would like to select. When the selection bar is at the correct part of the song, tap Done. Now you can record your TikTok video to the music. You can also choose a song or edit the song after you have recorded your video. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.